Noor? Anyone? So my collection this time is called Noor, and I designed the whole collection and Aditi's outfit, keeping an imaginary person called Noor in my mind. And Aditi for me is my real life Noor. Noor in Hindi means light, and I feel like Aditi is always glowing. She has that luminescent nature towards her as well. So hence I have her as my showstopper. And the collection in general was also designed keeping the same character in mind. I visualize Noor as somebody who's extremely strong and also feminine at the same time. Um, I've also used a lot of geometric stuff, which kind of, depicts that strength, but then the fluid nature of all the silhouettes kind of, also offset that to make sure that it's very, very feminine.
It looked absolutely stunning. Aditi, you look like a prince. Thank you so much, yeah, for that. And Jayanti also, like, I feel like I'm almost blushing sitting next to her and listening to her say all this. But this is the third time I'm working for Jayanti. And like for me, it feels as effortless as breathing, literally. She doesn't even have to ask me. She just has to tell me, and I'll be there for her. And in fact, I've literally flown in for a few hours, and I have to rush back to shoot. But always anything for Jayanti. And it's also because she just makes her garments with so much love and so much thought and so much detail. And it's so sort of tailor made for you and your personality and who you are, that I think that's very, very special about her as a designer. And I love the fact that her garments are so feminine, and they make you feel old world, but at the same time so youthful and so delicate and fragile and feminine. And they're so sort of like they could be heirlooms. I think that's what I find so special about them. And I feel very lucky that she has seen this in me. So I'm very lucky to be picked by her so often. I really, really love her, and I love her work a lot.
And her color palette is also just quite stunning.
Always,
Yeah.
yes.
It's quite on point, and it's so good to see because we're talking winter, we're talking wedding, we're talking festive. It's such a great piece to have for every occasion. So, Jayanti, congratulations for this
Thank you
show.
so much.
That's all for me. I'm going to open the floor to
Thank you.
questions. Media, if you have any, please, now's your chance. You heard Aditi, she has a flight to catch. I think you better ask your questions now.
What was the experience like? Like, just watching you walk was like a dream. But what was it like for you?
You know, for me, because I'm so sort of sorry. You know, for me, because I think I'm very instinctive with my sort of all my choices, whether it's really about like I took to Jayanti immediately the moment I met her, though our families know each other from a long way back. But literally the moment I met her, I was like, okay, this is my person, and I love her so much. So even with clothes, I'm like that. And the moment that I feel that something belongs to me, I just feel like I get sort of transported into that world, and I feel like that character. And it's like acting, kind of, because you're playing a character for that story and for that show. So I felt like that, and it helps when the designer puts so much thought into it and makes it so perfect for you. So I really enjoy being on the ramp. But trust me, just before I step onto the ramp, I'm literally slapping myself. And I'm like, why am I here? Somebody tell me. And then once I step on, and I'm always like, I always need Elton somewhere near me, because he sort of gives me that little nudge and goes, go, go. And then once I'm on the ramp, I'm fine. Really, really love it. And I do get transported into some other world, and I really enjoy that.
Thank you so much. Do we have any other questions? Okay, then.
Thank you.
Do stay back. We have a couple of interactions lined up for both of you, if you could please. Thank you. That's all, media. Thank you so much. That ends our post-show conference. Please be seated, media. That was a great show that we just got to witness, all celebrating Indian beautiful craftsmanship. We got to see a great show by Puneet Balana and Neha Agarwal. Puneet, your collection exuded charm and beauty through and through. You always take us by surprise every Lakme Fashion Week. And this time around too, you managed to do just that. Not only did you have a stunning collection, but you had 2 stunning showstoppers. And I think that Jim was like a last minute added addition. So we were all like, what happened? But it was a great show.
All part of the plan.
I mean, left us completely spellbound. We're like, what? Surprise package. But yeah, that was a great surprise. That was a great show, Puneet. We love having you at Lakme Fashion Week time and time again. Tell us what this collection was all about.
Okay, so the collection is called Gulabi Chalk. So Gulabi Chalk, it's again a hand block printed line, but the technique this time, it's a Sanganeri block print. It's a very old, 500-year-old art of printing. So as my previous collection, the prints are a very important part of my collection always. So same way, this collection is also is a block printed collection, and the inspiration is the magnificent Amer Fort. So we have taken the inspiration from the Gulabi Chalk and Sheesh Mahal of the Amer Fort, and we have tried to take the architecture as inspiration and incorporate the architecture motifs in our block prints and embroideries. So yeah.
Thank you, Puneet. That actually every detailing can be seen in both Radhika and Jim's, collection. Everything, outfits. It's beautiful. Radhika, you look absolutely stunning. It's just so good to have you at Lakme Fashion Week time and time again. You come here just exuding confidence. You're so calm. It's like, the runway was meant for you. What was it like, walking the ramp for Puneet this time around?
I always get very nervous. I always get very nervous to walk the ramp, actually, and which is why this has been like my most favorite dress because it's my kind of a dress. It's my style. It's so light. It's so easy, and it flows so beautifully. I love the steel color. I love the detailing. I just love it, and the entire collection. Jaipur is one of my favorite cities, actually. So. I'm very, very grateful and happy to be a part of this. And I get to walk with Jim. That's a treat.
I don't think so. You need an introduction or a request from me. She's done it already. Jim, come on, tell us what was it like walking for Puneet this time?
Actually, this is the most formal outfit that I've ever worn in. Usually the more lafanga designers like me. He brought both outfits, this one and this one, for the
you can tell them the truth.
For the fitting, and I actually loved this one because that's in my general David Bowie strange vibe.
So I told you the reason for that.
He said that.
So I said that this guy is gonna look whatever he wears. So let me just get the better outfit.
Also, I think it was a nice prince kind of vibe going on with the two of us in the fort. Yeah. I actually don't get nervous walking, really.
We know that. We've seen you
because I'm pretty good at walking. I do it every day.
Hold on. This is so not fair. You don't wear outfits that are longer than your own length. You don't have to wear really massive heels. And you don't have to be worried about tripping.
I completely agree with you.
So
Whereas I, in normal pants and shoes, often walk around in my daily life and...
He came 5 minutes before the show, wore it, he was like, ready. I'm like, I've been here for 2 hours.
Jim, I think she has a bone to pick with you. So we're going to keep that for later. But I'm going to go on to Neha. Your show was just absolutely stunning. I mean, the fact that, Kiara just looked so old-worldly and beautiful, and just like every detailing is so beautifully, showcased on her outfit. What was it like, creating this collection, and how come Kiara was the one name that came to your mind for walking the ramp?
So this collection of mine is called Pushteni. It's actually inspired by a very age-old craft, Madhubani. And me as a designer, I want to promote our tradition. I want to celebrate our tradition because I feel like a lot of people are going to the West for inspiration, which is, for me, I want to celebrate my country and the beautiful tradition that we have. So in all of my outfits, I've used Zardozi, which is a very old, ancient craft. And as you can see in Kiara's outfit also, I've embellished this outfit with Zardozi. And I always had Kiara in mind because I think she's really beautiful and she represents the youth. And a lot of young brides and a lot of young people look up to her, the way she dresses and the way, and her body language as well. So, yeah.
Couldn't have said it better, Kiara. I mean, everyone on this panel has their own little, fan people sitting out here talking about them. So, Kiara, you look absolutely stunning. You look so comfortable. We caught a glimpse of you before, the post-show conference started, and you were just so in your element, talking about the outfit, everything. So tell us, what was it like when she told you you're going to be wearing this collection?
Well, firstly, thank you for the compliments to both of you. And good evening to the media. Thank you for being here. I always look forward to Lakme Fashion Week. I love playing dress up, and I actually enjoy this. It's the easiest thing. Just walk down the ramp, have fun. Today we had a live musician, a band that was playing for us, so it really upped the energy. And I think Neha, she had visualized this outfit on me. So I didn't even ask for any other options. I was like, if you think this is it, then this is it. And I couldn't have, got a better showstopper outfit from her collection than this. I think each piece was stunning, but this one I particularly liked. It's extremely comfortable. There's so much attention to detail that has been paid. There's the way she said it, bringing Zardozi back, at the same time combining it with a silhouette that's a little more contemporary and modern. And I could totally wear this as separate. So I look for stuff like that when I'm shopping. I'd wear the pants that I'm wearing with another shirt or something. So thank you, Neha. I am taking this outfit and running home.
Congratulations, Neha and Puneet. Thank you so much. I think festive wear and winter wear and bridal wear needed a definite twist to the wardrobe. And you all have provided us just with that. That's all for me. I'm going to open the floor to questions. Media, if you have any, now's your chance. Okay, we're going to hold it up for the one-on-ones. Do stay back. We have a couple of one-on-ones lined up. So thank you so much for everything today. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, look here, sir. Look here. Left. Sir, look here. Give me other side. Yes, here. Give me that. Look here, sir. Look here. Radhika. Here, left. Center. Radhika, here, look here. Look here. Don't do a back.
Request all guests, if you're not media, please leave the room. This is strictly for media.
Left. Look here. They look hard. They want it. From this side. Nice. Thank you for the light. Once you get this. I really like this. Oh yeah, that's good. Is it nice? Yes. एक सेकंड हेलो ठीक है